Happening right now, a block party under the Claiborne Avenue Bridge. And this one has a purpose. It is called Deeply Rooted 20 Years and Beyond. The celebration looking back on how far the community has come since Katrina, while also spotlighting the culture and the strength that has kept New Orleans moving forward. There was live music, food, family activities, and the unveiling of a brand new mural that tells the story of the Claiborne Corridor. The idea is to transform what was once just concrete into a space for culture, connection, and progress.
I grew up around this area, so for me it's kind of surreal to even be able to be like, I put a permanent impression on my city.
Organizers say that this event is more than remembering the past. It is also about lifting up the people and the traditions that continue to shape the future of the city. So all this weekend, we are going to continue to highlight the struggles and the triumphs faced since Hurricane Katrina. To see each story that has aired so far, you can scan the QR code that you see right here on your screen. Plus, you can stream all episodes of our special, Still Rising, right now on the Very Local app. It is free and available on most smartphones and televisions. And